Hello and welcome. In today's video I'd like to show you another interesting gadget that is on the market, but before I begin you can like the video if you'll find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community and not to miss on any of the interesting videos we're gonna publish in the future. So about this gadget, well, as you've already probably understood, that is a fish's body gripper. The gadget itself isn't too long, so it will definitely fit in the majority of the tackle boxes that we use. It has this switch over here which allows you to release the jaws and basically put them in a position like that, just to lock the gadget. Inside it does have like a spring there, and as you can see it has these like plastic teeth over here which allow you to hold the fish. So in my case, I'm definitely going to be using this gadget because there is a fish species that I really like to catch, and I'm talking about the tench. That is a very tasty fish and a very strong one. If you've never fished for tench, I would highly recommend you trying to catch one of them, and while pulling the fish out of the water, you'll definitely notice how strong it is, and well, you'll probably be surprised. The tench fish is quite slimy when you remove it out of the water, and then you have like a lot of slime on your hands. So in those cases I will definitely use this body gripper, and I'll basically see whether it will work as good as it looks. So if you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description. But in my opinion, that is quite a handy gadget. But again, if you don't fish for the fishes, well, for the slimy fishes, and you are taking all of the fishes by hand, then you probably don't need it. But again, my channel is to show you the gadgets which exist on the market, and that's one of them. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave your comments under the video and I'll try to reply to all of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.